Alright, here's my fabric cobbled together forge blower. Fitted up some plumbing hardware so I can feed a stream of propane through this old torch hose hole on the back side of here. Sends a stream of propane, pulls air through the Venturi, lights it up. I just flared out the Venturi, heated up with a torch, banged it out on the horn of this old anvil. So now just feed it some propane. Light it with a torch. And it seems to burn pretty good. You can definitely feel it sucking the air. And if you cover it up, it just turns into a pure propane flame. So it seems to be working pretty good. I'm not sure if it's quite hot enough, but we'll see. All this is going to be hooked up to this old air tank. Going to be filling it with insulation. We'll leave an opening. There'll be a fire brick on the bottom here. So we'll leave an opening about this when the door's closed. Cut a hole in the back. Gonna cut a hole in the back so I can put in longer pieces. Should work pretty good.